Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a frozen whole chicken in the slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I've got a frozen organic chicken here. I just pulled this out of the freezer. This is 4.29 pounds. It was $2.69 per pound, so it was $11.54 for this chicken here. So these organic chickens usually do not have any giblets inside, so that makes it kind of nice. You don't have to worry about getting those out of there. So I'm just going to get this unwrapped and rinse it off, mainly so that my rub will stick. I'm going to use some of this Andy's rub here. So like I said, I'm going to rinse it off just so hopefully that'll help the rub stick a little bit better. Now I'm just going to season this up right in the slow cooker. I'm going to cook this in a dry slow cooker. I'm not going to add any liquid. The last time I did this, I cooked it breast down like this, but I think today I'll try cooking it breast up just to see how that goes. So I'm seasoning with Andy's rub, and this is a little bit of kosher salt as well. Flip it over and do the same on this side. This Andy's rub has I think garlic, onion, I think lemon peel, orange peel. I'm not sure all what else, but it's good on chicken. I've used this a few times. So I'll hit this with just a little bit of kosher salt as well. That rub's not real salty, so a little bit extra salt never hurts on chicken, in my opinion. I'm hoping that that the lid will fit. Those legs are kind of sticking up a little bit there, so we'll see. Oh yeah, it'll work. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. This cooked on high for 5.5 hours, and I shut the pot off about half an hour ago. So let's take a look here. It's been resting there for about half an hour. It doesn't have much color, so just to make the picture look a little bit better, I'm going to sprinkle on just a little bit of cayenne pepper just to kind of give it a little bit more color. Don't really need to, but like I said, that's just to make the picture look a little bit better. Alright, let's see how this looks here. Leg just pulls right off. Let's see how the breast is here. Oh yeah, breast just pulls right apart too. See how much liquid this made? I didn't add any liquid to the pot. It made all that. You probably have like an inch of liquid there. So you can have a little bit of that to spoon over the breast meat if it's a little bit dry there. I didn't make a fancy plate here. I'll probably make some rice and veggies or something to go with this later, but you can see the breast meat kind of just pulls apart. See how this leg looks here? Meat just pulls right off the bone, so yeah, that's definitely cooked. Try a little bit of this breast meat. I poured a little bit of juice over it, so see how that is. Chicken breast doesn't excite me that much. It's always a little dry. I like the dark meat better. Actually, the chicken I cooked in there breast down last time, the breast meat was moister because it was down in the liquid. I just did it breast up this time for the video because I thought the presentation would be a little bit better, but it was a little moisture cooked breast down. The lighting is really weird in here right now. Andy's standing in a normal spot, but it's too dark, you can't see her, so see how this works. Here's a piece of skin. I don't like the way the skin turns out. It comes out kind of rubbery, so Andy seemed to like it fine though. That chicken cooked for 5.5 hours on high. The chicken I cooked the other day, the one I cooked breast down, it cooked for 6 hours on high. And I had to go somewhere, so I just set the timer on that one and just kind of guessed on the timing. And when I got home, it had shut off and it was on warm for about 2.5 hours. So it cooked for 6 hours, and then it was on warm for 2.5 hours more, and it was fine. So I'd say about 5.5 to 6 hours is about right. I haven't tried cooking a frozen chicken on low, so I'm not really sure how that would work. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.